Cache Giraffe links usage and reward tracking to device identifiers, so switching devices can affect how your playtime and rewards are recognized. The app also uses account information to identify your membership, which means the first thing to check is whether both devices are using the same Cache Giraffe account. A Cache Giraffe konine. By the end, you'll know what to check when Cache Giraffe data appears on one device but not another, and which steps can prevent your game progress or reward tracking from getting worse. Start by checking your account. Open Cache Giraffe on the device where your data is visible and check how you originally registered. Cache Giraffe supports registration with an email address or through Google or Facebook login. O Cache Giraffe konani. On the second device, sign out if necessary, and log back in using the exact same method and account. Creating a second Cache Giraffe account is not a good workaround because the service terms allow only one user account per person. A Cache Giraffe kefere. Next, check whether the missing information is actually account data or device-specific tracking. Cache Giraffe states that installed apps, usage duration, usage history, and reward calculations can be associated with identifiers from the device, including Google's advertising ID on Android and Apple's advertising identifier on iOS. A Cache Giraffe kumone. That means simply installing Cache Giraffe on another phone does not guarantee that every piece of gameplay tracking will immediately appear there. If you are actively earning rewards through a game, avoid repeatedly switching devices while troubleshooting. Then check permissions on the device where tracking is missing. Cache Giraffe says certain functions can require access to device information or app-related data, depending on the phone and operating system. Open your phone's app permissions and make sure Cache Giraffe has the access it needs for the features you are using. A Cache Giraffe kuanen. Also avoid using multiple accounts, automated tools, or modified devices while trying to restore tracking. Cache Giraffe's terms specifically prohibit multiple accounts and unauthorized scripts or automated control. Cache Giraffe. If the data still does not match, contact Cache Giraffe support from inside the app and explain that your account data is missing or different across devices. The company currently says support typically responds within 24 hours. A Cache Giraffe 3. So the key fixes are simple. Use the same account, verify the login method, check device permissions, and avoid creating a second account. If rewards are involved, stop switching devices until you know which device is correctly tracking your activity. Try those checks first, then contact support if the account still shows inconsistent data. If this fixed your Cache Giraffe syncing problem, like the video and subscribe for more reward app fixes.